Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. 2026 is here. Basically in this video I'm gonna be doing like a reset for this new year because I haven't done that yet, which includes to deep clean my room, practice like my hobbies I haven't practiced this holidays, organize my school stuff, and yeah, I kind of missed filming like vlogs like these. Also, I have like a terrible neck ache. I don't know why, but it hurts so bad. And that's why I have this warming plaster right here. And I kind of like tilt my head all the time because it hurts when I look on this side. But I haven't eaten any breakfast yet, so let's go make some breakfast. He's just a very chill cat, looking out of the windows. We have almost the same eye color. Am I rude for watching my own videos? Maybe. But guys, I got dressed and what is this hairstyle? I don't know. I think I invented this and let's call it swirl. I don't know. I actually wanted to do a braid, but I couldn't because I literally can't put my hands up. It hurts. Everything in this room is a mess except my bookshelf. Look how clean and organized this is. That's so random. It started snowing. Look at this. Snow. Okay, I actually need to stop yapping and get up to do work because I have a lot of work in this room. Here's a little update and I think it looks much better, but I still didn't finish everything. I need to vacuum the floor, do something with this, and maybe also organize my closet because it's also kind of messy. But as you guys know, I have this vision board from last year. It was 2025, but since it's 2026, I need a new vision board. And ta-da! I already made one. So I did it on Canva this year and I will go right now to print this out as a poster. Let's go! I'm back with my poster and I'm so excited to look how it actually looks like. I was so lucky that they had the measurements that I'm supposed to have for this thing. So let's open it. I was low-key embarrassed for the lady that printed this out, but I mean, I don't care. I want a vision board. Oh my god! The quality is so good. I didn't expect it to be so good. This is literally better than how I did my vision board last year, because last year I printed each picture out and it also did cost way much, I think, than now. This was only 10 euros. I will try now to put this poster in this thing, but I don't really know how to do it, so we'll have to try a bit. So I asked my dad for help and these are the results. Woo! I love this so much. It looks like more cleaner and, I don't know, professional than my old one. But I can really recommend to everybody who watches this video, so also you, to make a vision board if you haven't for 2026, because that's the way you can manifest all your goals. I did it once, so it's my second time, but it worked really well, and believe me, like most of the things came true because I started working for it and my mind started manifesting it without me knowing. It looks so pretty. I love it so much. I made myself for dinner some bread with strawberry jam, and I'm watching Nana right now. Good morning, or more like good afternoon, because I overslept literally the whole day. I don't know how I'm supposed to wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m. Anyways, today's the second day of my reset vlog. I still need to be a bit productive because I have to still organize my school stuff and do stuff for the school. But after that, I also want to have like a self-care night. So I want to read, play my violin, because I maybe didn't practice once this holidays. That's not good. I just realized it now. And as you can see, my skin is freaking breaking out. So I just want to do some skincare and do my nails, because what the hell is this? But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna start with the school organizing stuff I don't want to do. Yeah, I almost finished. Okay, it looks way better. So here are all the books, all my school books. Here are all my school folders or notebooks. Here are my private creative journals. And here are more college blogs and stuff like that. I don't know how it all fit in there, but now I can move these things to this side. Okay, now I just need to throw this away. Stay hydrated. I adore this Hello Kitty bottle. Okay, since I finished the deep cleaning of my room, I want to practice my violin now. This is how my violin looks like. So I'm gonna practice now and I'll update you guys after that. Hey guys, little update. I already finished practicing my violin and I took a shower, I washed my hair. But I did get like a message that we might not have school tomorrow because of the snow and ice outside, because like, I don't know, the coldest day. And guess what? Every single school here around me has closed. Except my school. And I still have hope that they will send a message, but they haven't yet, so I don't know. Also, I texted with my friends and they said they are not coming tomorrow, because if every single school around us has closed, why would I go? And I mean, they said it's dangerous and stuff, but yeah, also my neck still hurts, but it's better. It's getting better. Okay guys, so I did not get any message from my school, so probably I'll have to go tomorrow. Also, my Polish parents just laugh at me because they always had to go to school no matter how cold it was. But yeah, I mean, there is still a chance that we will get an information tomorrow in the morning, but I don't know. So I'll go sleep now because it's, I don't know, pretty late and I need to wake up early. I still wanted to read and do my nails, but I don't have time anymore. So sorry for that, maybe in my next vlog. But I will probably end my video right here because if I go to school tomorrow, I just won't have more time to vlog and film for you guys. Oh, and this message is for my grandparents because they always watch my videos and support me so much. Pozdrawiam moich dziadków i dziękuję bardzo za oglądanie moich filmików. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Happy New Year and bye bye!